Hello, my name is Hesbon Hongo. I'm a certified public accountant of Kenya. I recently took my CISA exams and passed, but I wanted to thank very much Aaditya, who came up with CISA This Much, a package that really helped me go through my exams. The concepts are made so simple, they are so clear, and the QAE within the CTM or CISA This Much is so well researched. I had very easy time going through the lectures. Aaditya explained them so well that it made it so easy for me. I'm not in the IT field, I'm a finance person, but going through Aaditya's lectures, I felt like I was an IT person. He makes the concept so simple that anyone from any field can go through them. I would recommend that anybody out there who would wish to take CISA course to purchase CISA This Much. They will take you through the exam very easy. Aaditya will also lead you through the stages. He will be from time to time getting in touch with you to see how you are progressing and to ensure that on the final day all goes well. I recommend highly Aaditya CISA This Much for any aspiring candidate for CISA. Thank you, Aaditya. Thank you, Aaditya. May God bless you.